Prosecutors say a 33-year-old lacrosse man was just sent to prison for targeting a teenage girl in a sextortion case. Eric Chalou spoke to the AG and internet safety experts about how to protect children. Eric?
Kevin and Lindsay, the Wisconsin Department of Justice played a key role investigating the lacrosse sextortion case. The state attorney general says they're seeing several tips a week come into law enforcement about other cases.
I am concerned, and that's what the trends we're seeing suggests.
Wisconsin Attorney General Josh Kaul is concerned that the current rate of sextortion tips coming into law enforcement in the state could exceed last year's total of 176 reports.
We want to do everything we can to make people aware of this so that they can help keep their kids safe.
Authorities say the cases often seem like nothing when they start. It could be as simple as a child making a new friend in an online game, chatting for a while before escalating to swapping explicit pictures. But that other person online isn't the person they thought and possibly demands money or wants more pictures, threatening to release the pic to parents or friends if they don't comply.
They were very, very skilled at getting him to do exactly what they wanted.
Last year, a Minnesota mom shared that her teenage son thought he met a girl on social media. It turns out it wasn't a teen girl. Instead, suspects telling him to steal his parents' credit cards to pay them $400 or they'd share a picture of him.
We've also seen it where parents want to get involved and act like the child and take over.
Dan Barry, a retired police detective, now with Zero Abuse Project, suggests if a parent discovers a problem, save the messages, get law enforcement involved, and don't engage yourself.
Parents also need to weigh that balance between keeping and respecting a child's privacy versus keeping them safe, right? Because we know that these people who are doing these types of activities out there on the internet, they're looking for those parents who aren't paying attention.
Derek Kress, also from Zero Abuse Project, says the conversation between kids and parents needs to happen often.
Having that conversation about the good things and the bad things about the internet.
The Attorney General's office has assembled resources for you to learn more about this issue and to then learn how to have that conversation with your kids. You can find a link to it on the Featured on 5 tab at ksdp.com. Live in the newsroom tonight, Eric Chalou, 5 Eyewitness News.